Today we have been trying to make a volcano inspired by some dinosaurs that Charlie had that we made this morning while Amelia was having a nap.
We making dinosaurs. This is go by.
How many times have we tried to make a volcano, Charlie?
Literally that time.
That's right, 3 times we've tried to make the volcano and 3 times we've failed. And we realised it's a little mistake in our chemical formula, which we'll explain later. Now the first attempt that we did in the bowl with vinegar and washing up and food colouring in there. Is it? Good. That's going to be bubbly.
I had an orange hand, but I didn't have orange hand. I think this is...
reacting. Quick, pour it in.
Why?
We're going to make a volcano. It's quite explosive, I think.
China! It's hot now. Yay! This is it. He's coming down the mountain.
Hey mate, you got a little slow worm, Charlie.
No. Okay, it's not as bad from up here. Nick, I'm handling it.
Yeah, you handling it?
I'm handling it.
Hello, buddy. How are you doing? Off you guys. Off and go a minute, mate.
Go somewhere else.
Yeah! So we're going to try again. This time we're going to actually follow the instructions. So we need 400 millilitres of vinegar. 100 millilitres of cold water. Okay, some baking powder. A good squidge of washing up liquid. Okay, let's try this again.
Yeah.
They're not looking pretty enough, Mummy.
Yay! I don't do it again like
There
that.
must be some vinegar in our cup. This is not working well for us. Here he comes. Ready? Okay, make your inside of it. I mean, the smoke foam's actually quite good.
Stand back, everybody. I feel like the bowl was more effective.
Yeah. Ready? So we've just figured out why it's not been working. It's because we've been using baking powder, and baking powder already has an acid in it. So when you add water to it, it starts to react. Whereas baking soda, if we had it, it needs a vinegar to activate. So we've been making a slurry that's already been activated, adding it to a vinegar and having no effect. Now we're just going to try and throw the dry baking powder into vinegar and see if that has a better result. Ready?
I am ready. This is gonna work. It working?
Yeah.
Hot.
I think that was it. Well done, team. Good work. That's it. Give your hands a good scrub.
Never mind.
Mummy's gone to get our weekly shit supplies and some extra bits to see if we can improve our experiment. Find out what happens next. This is attempt 4, bicarbonate soda. So we're going to add that to this. We're going to give it a mix. Let's give it a go. Ready? I'm ready for this. Yeah!
I've gone for warm water. I think warm water will be more effective. Put that in there.
Oh.
Little squirt of this. Bit more. Let's go for it. This should cause the explosion. Way!
I had to do
Yay, that was good.
Yeah.
We could go and do a Mentos one.
Oh, how
Can
is
do a Mentos one? When you've promised the children a volcano, you provide a volcano. So we are going for the Mentos diet
being
experiment. So first of all, you need to get your diet drink of choice. You need to make yourself a funnel. I'm sure everyone's got lots of toilet rolls around at the moment. Make a funnel, have a little piece of card, and then in your funnel you need to put 13 Mentos. We might not have quite 13. Apparently it's a magic number.
I'm doing. Now,
Everybody ready?
yeah.
Now we're going to move the card. We made an explosion.
Can I do it again?
I think that's it, mate.
Look, yummy.
Oh, there we go.
Yay. Do that.